guys, I'm gonna teach you guys the simple single braided lay. Okay, so this is the material that we're using. I believe this is a 3/8 satin ribbon. So a lot of people do it this way by tying the knot right here. I never ever do that. I always start with my braided lay this way. So we have this 2 loop right here. So one goes here, okay, and then once we insert that in there, you see this part right here is loose, so just keep on holding, and then we grab this other one, we insert, and then just don't let go on that part yet. Then you grab that one, you insert it, then slightly pull it till, don't do it too tight, don't do it too loose, okay? So right now that's how it looks, and then when we do another one here, you'll see that everything is holding together. See that? So just keep on doing exactly the same thing until you're done with your lay. It's really simple, guys. So same pattern, same way of doing it. Okay. So this is what we call the single braided lay. You guys can make a lot of this in no time. Sorry, my voice still not that great yet. Still slightly sick. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a fast forward so we can finish this lay. Okay, right now we are, let's see, it's only like a minute. We made this much already. So let's do a fast forward now. Braided lay, but this is how I normally end this. See this part right here? Okay, we can put another loop right here. Once you put that loop, we gotta go through, and it will lock everything in. So it looks like that's locked. Since this is a very short one, you can actually use it as a hakole. See, it's very short, and this is how I tie them. So this is the beginning part that we did. What we do is undo one, and then we'll go tie it on the end. You can either use this part of the lay or this part of the lay. It depends which one you like better. See the differences? This is how it looks like on the inside, and this is how it looks like on the outside. So there you have it, guys. This is a very simple single braided lay, and yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Aloha, much mahalo.